already have in your life is the foundation for all others. A very good morning. Keeping the same thought in mind, I welcome you all to the class assembly of grade 1, that is the magic of gratitude. So we begin by folding our hands and closing our eyes and offering prayer to the Lord.
तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीशर, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीशर। तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीशर, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीशर। तेरी मर्ज़ी से है मालिक, हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं। तेरी रहमत से हम सबने ये जिस्म और जान लाए हैं। तू अपनी नज़र हम पर रखना, इस हाल में है ये खबर रखना। तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीशर, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीशर। तू चाहे तो हमें रखे, तू चाहे तो हमें मारे, तेरे आगे झुका के सर खड़े हैं आज हम सारे। ओ सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाले, तू चाहे तो हर आफत डाले। तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीशर, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीशर, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीशर, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीशर। Today we have a special assembly about something very important, that is gratitude. Gratitude is all about being thankful for the good things in our lives. Let's learn more about it. Say thank you for something nice someone did for you. Something I am thankful for. My friend helped me tie my shoelaces when they came undone. Thankful for my mom who makes delicious lunch every day. I am grateful for my teacher who teaches us so many interesting things. I am grateful for the gentle guidance of my grandma. I appreciate the rainy days that bring life to plants. I'm thankful for my amazing art supplies. I am grateful for yummy treats my mother bakes. love I get from my family. I am thankful for kind and supportive parents. I am grateful for time I spent with my siblings. I am thankful for helpful and kind-hearted teachers. Now let's recite a poem about gratitude to express our thanks. And something to drink for yellow, orange, purple and pink. Full and drink all around. I am thankful. How much we have to be thankful for. Remember, gratitude makes our heart happy and our friendship strong. Yeah, that's right. Let's all try to show gratitude. Saying thank you can make a big difference. Thank you all for being a part of this special assembly about gratitude. Let's carry the spirit of gratitude with us always.
I request Honorable Principal Ma'am to kindly give some encouragement words of motivation to the little ones.
Good morning, children.
No, you have to keep sitting. You have to keep sitting. So when I say good morning, children, you just say good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, teachers and all the staff here. I think first of all of us have to be grateful to Sableen ma'am and 1B for presenting such a beautiful assembly. So let's clap for them and say thank you. Say thank you. Very good. So all the children here, so some of them had come to invite me and they were so right. They said we are grateful for our parents, we are grateful for our friends, we are grateful for our teachers. Yes? Actually, we have to be grateful for our life. Just the fact that we have a life, we should be grateful for that. It's a beautiful life. Yes? You love your life? Yes, and enjoy every day and always be happy and kind. Yes? So love your parents and say it. I love you mama, I love you papa. Love your teachers, respect your teachers and say it. See, if we like somebody, if we are grateful, we also have to tell them, otherwise how will they come to know? Yes? So, lots of thank yous. Lots of I appreciate, I'm grateful, I'm thankful. Okay? The more you say it, the happier who will get? We will get. Yes, Poonam ma'am is right. The more we appreciate others, we will feel happier. That person of course will feel very happy. But we will feel happy when we appreciate and when we are grateful. Gratitude gives us happiness. Alright? So all of us are going to be grateful for everything that we have in our life. Food, house, toys, school, friends, relatives. Yes, what do you want to say?
We should be grateful for earth and it gives everything for us. We should be grateful for everything.
Absolutely. So we should be grateful for the earth and look after it because it gives us everything. You have a sentence.
I'm thankful for my mother and father that they give me a beautiful life.
Wonderful, wonderful. So everybody's parents, we have to be thankful for them. They might not give us lots of toys, but they do everything they can for us. Okay? So everybody's parents and situation is different. Are you happy? Yes. Are you happy? Yes? Are you happy? All right. Thank you everyone. Thank you ma'am. Wonderful children. Yes, I know. All of you have lots to say. You will go back and tell your teachers. Okay? So all the children will go back and tell one thing that they're grateful for to their class teachers. So class teachers, homework for you after this. 15 minutes we will only talk to the children and talk about everything that we are grateful for. Alright? Thank you children. Thank you ma'am.